Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you guys? Are you feeling fine? Because if you're gonna ask me, I'm gonna say that I'm feeling nervous. So, welcome to the last and final part of our series, Hydrogen's Adapting to the New Normal. So, in this session, I'm going to discuss the things you need to know about Gmail. So, let's start. Our discussion for today, traveling across the buildings of Gmail. So let's first define the meaning of Gmail. Next slide, please. According to whatis.techtarget.com, Gmail is a free website, a free web-based email service currently being tested at Google that provides users with 15 gigabytes of storage for messages and provides the ability to search for specific messages. So its main purpose is to receive and send emails. So what are the advantages of using Gmail? The first one is partner programs. I will discuss it further later, but for now, let's just move on to the next one. It's safe and free. Gmail is encrypted with TLS while transferring your data, and it protects your emails at rest with industry standard 128 bits. So what is TLS and what is 128 bits? So TLS stands for Transport Layer Security. It's a security protocol that encrypts emails to protect its privacy. It aims primarily to provide privacy and data integrity. And what is 128-bit encryption? It's a data or file encryption technique that uses 128-bit key to encrypt and decrypt data or files. It is said to be unbreakable. So another advantage of using Gmail is that it's free. You can make your Google account without paying. So the next one, great organization system. Gmail is a label-based system, which means it can be easily categorized and organized. So the last one is the storage system. When you create a Google account, it lends you 15 gigabytes of storage, which you can share across different G Suite apps, including Gmail. Next slide, please. Parts and features of Gmail. I'm going to discuss these further later, but now let's just read its features. Inbox and mail. It contains the features of your inbox as well as the features when opening the mail. Organization features. It contains the features used to organize and create your mail. Partner programs contain the partner program that is helpful in your mail. Next slide, please. So let's identify the parts of your inbox or the page that will appear when you open Gmail. The first one is search mail. This is where you can search mails. The next one is select and refresh inbox. So refreshing is important, so Google can just check the server, so new mails will appear and still run faster. So when you select mails, there are many options to do with it. You can do many things, and there are many options. And I will discuss those later. There are 3 mail types: primary, social, and promotions. The first one, primary. Almost all of the mails sent to you appear in the primary section. Okay, mails from your social media appear in the social. Advertisements and the mails from apps may appear in the promotion. The next one is inbox pages and input tools. So input tools helps you type in a specific language. Like if I want to type in Korean, it will help me have Korean characters when you just press that icon, select up an icon, which signifies the input tool. So the next one is help and access partner programs. So there are different partner programs and you can access them through that. It's actually on the right side of your inbox right here, and those 3 dots will open Google Apps. Next slide, please. So parts and features of Gmail, inbox and mail number 2. So this feature is your inbox. You can see the sender right there. There's an example. And you may select and star messages or mails through those icons, the box icon and the star icon. You may find it on the left part of the page. So, message with attached files. You may see it on the middle part of the row of the mail or your inbox. And you may also find the day when it was sent on the right part. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. So, when you open a mail, you will see these parts. The first one is the title. Next is the sender. The next is time sent, star mail, send mail, and other options. And you can see the message itself in the center. There are already prepared responses, so you can easily reply to the sender. And there are also respond options, and there are 2 options. One is reply, and the other one is forward. You can get yourself familiarized with those parts, so you can easily identify those parts when you get to use it. Next slide, please. Okay. When you select a message or a mail, there are options to do with it. The first one is back, which will send you back to the inbox. Next one is archive, which will hide the mail and put it in the bin after 30 days of being archived. The third one is report spam. That message will be reported as spam and labeled as spam. The fourth one is trash. It will move the mail to the trash bin. Mark unread, snooze, add to task, move, and label respectively. So, the other one is the mail pages and input tools. Like I said before, input tools help you type in your desired language. So, save to new window and print. Next slide, please. One of the advantages of using Gmail is that it's easy to be organized and categorized. So here are the organization features you can see in Gmail. The first one is Inbox, default mail organization. The second one is Stored, includes only all files that are stored. Closed includes postponed mail. Sent includes mail that are sent to other people. You can get yourself familiarized with the icons of those organization features. Okay, next slide, please. Draft, it includes mails that haven't been sent, and they're drafts only. Unwanted includes mails that you have blocked. Important are mails that you mark as important. Okay, next slide, please. Chat include the chat messages. Scheduled includes the mail that are scheduled to be sent at specific time. All mail includes all the mail, including promotions and social media. Spam, it includes the mails you label as spam mail. Okay, look at the icon. Okay. Bin includes the mail that you have deleted before. Categories give you a list of categories where mail is divided amongst these categories. Manage labels manages the labels. Create labels allows you to create and customize new labels. Right. So when you're composing a mail, you will see this feature or format. At the section labeled as to, you will put there the email of the receiver. We'll put a title in the subject section and the content in its body. You can also see the minimize, maximize, and restore. And on the right side, you can see a CC and a BCC. CC means a carbon copy, which you can send a mail to many people, and the BCC will appear only into you, and other recipients of the mail will not be people in the BCC. Next slide, please. So, when you are sending or still laying out the mail, you will see this one. You may insert other elements in your mail. There are many options there. You may choose between those. There's also a room for trash. And if you're ready to send the mail, you may send it. You may send it now to your recipient using that button. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. So the last slide. Yeah, there you go. So the partner programs of Google Mail. The first one is the G Calendar. It allows you to create and edit events, schedules, or other things that you put in your calendar. Keep Notes. Keep Notes allows you to create notes such as audio notes, image notes, and text notes. You may also add add-on programs in your partner program. So, Meet and Hangouts are also part of Google, where you can virtually hold a conference or meeting. So, I think Meet is just an update. In Google Mail, because before I don't see the Meet in my email. So yeah. Other speakers already discussed the Meet, so I don't need to elaborate it. So that's all, and thank you for listening. Thank you for the time.